How to fix Telegram not sending code. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So if you are facing issues with Telegram not sending the verification code, you can try the following steps. First of all, check your internet connection and ensure that you have a stable one, as Telegram requires that to send verification codes. Secondly, you can request a new one. On the login screen, tap the Resend Code feature or similar option to receive a new code. Another thing you should do is to check your phone number and make sure that you've entered the correct one in the international format. You do that by including the country code. Any mistakes in the phone number can lead to issues in receiving the code, which is pretty obvious. You can also check your phone settings to ensure that Telegram has the necessary permissions to send SMS messages. Go to your phone settings, find Telegram, and make sure it has permission to do that. And finally, if the problem persists, you can contact Telegram's support team for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot and resolve any issues with the code delivery. So that was it for this video. That's how to fix Telegram not sending code. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.